in the village, just in front of me, there is one house is there. Just the back side of that house, another house is also there. What they did is the back side, the last house, what they did is current wire to that house, just they took on top of this person's, middle person's house. Then these people are having objection. Correct, right? Usually current wires, maybe by mistake, if it is going to break, it is going to fall on their house. Like it's always a bigger problem, not suggestible. What happened is my neighbor, my house, but just beside, in front of my house only, his house is there. His age is almost 60s, I hope. Then he showed angry like anything, man. How you can take the current wire on top of my house? Like he angry, he scolded like anything with that person. He scolded like anything. So, like he's with a loud voice, he's talking. Suddenly, he fall down, and then he died. So suddenly he fall down, he died. Healthy person, just the angriness is not in a position to control. He died. Whose mistake it is?
Person only. Self mistake.
Yeah, self-destruction. Died, man, in front of my eyes. Of course, I didn't. My presence is not there. This is a real. My mother, my parents are everyone there. Keep on shouting, died.